Hi, it's Jamie from Taylor Walsh and we want to welcome you to this exclusive development right here in Wavendon. 3 executive homes, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, around 2,500 square feet and finished to an exceptional standard. The property here over my shoulder is one that's available. We've sold one of the other plots and we also have this one here for you to take a look at. If you can see yourself wanting to purchase one of these final 2 plots that we have remaining, give us a call on 01908 571 555 and we can talk, show you around, let you choose your floor coverings that the developer is kindly putting in, and let's get you moved in. Thanks guys.